Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the secret sauce that makes toppers excel in their studies. Curious about how they plan their time to stay on top? Stick around, because I'm sharing insider tips that can level up your game too. First things first, toppers don't just study harder, they study smarter. They kick things off with a clear plan. Every topper has a well-structured timetable. They break down their syllabus into manageable chunks and spread it out over weeks. This way, they're not cramming at the last minute. Next, they prioritize tasks. Toppers know what's important and what's not. They use tools like the Eisenhower Matrix to distinguish between urgent and essential tasks. This helps them focus on what truly matters and not get bogged down by less critical activities. Thirdly, they set specific goals. Each study session has a goal. Whether it's mastering a particular topic or solving a set number of problems, they always have a clear target in mind. This makes their study time more efficient and focused. Now let's talk about active learning. Toppers engage with the material actively. They use techniques like summarizing, teaching others, and creating mind maps. These strategies help them retain information better and understand concepts deeply. Another crucial habit is taking breaks. Yes, you heard it right. Toppers know the importance of giving their brains some rest. They follow the Pomodoro technique, studying for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. This keeps their mind fresh and prevents burnout. Consistency is key. Toppers don't wait for motivation to strike. They build a routine and stick to it. Studying at the same time every day helps build a habit, making it easier to stay disciplined. And here's a golden nugget reflection. At the end of the week, toppers review their progress. They analyze what worked, what didn't, and adjust their plan accordingly. This continuous improvement keeps them on the path to success. Remember, it's not about the number of hours you put in, but how effectively you use them. So start planning smartly, and you'll see a significant difference in your performance. That's it for today. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more study tips and tricks. See you next time.